Dear customers and friends, welcome to Golden Tulip Artificial Flower and Plant New Items presentation. Today we'd like to show you a new range of Dahlia. We make it in 4 styles, in medium and long stem. For the long stem, style 1, the total height is 100 centimeter and it's with one big flower head in 18 cm diameter and 2 small flower head and 1 bud. Style 2 and style 3 is in height 60 centimeter. Style 2 is with one big flower head and 1 small flower head. Style 3 is just with 1 big flower head, and style 4 is with 2 medium flower head, 2 small flower head, and 1 bud. Let's check the detail to take the second style for example. You see the very natural color, very nice color, and natural structure and stem just like the cut flowers. You see the small flower, the bud, and the leaves. Also, same as other styles. You see the details. Four styles. Thank you very much. See you next time.